Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about information technology sample paper, and with that first of all blueprint of the sample paper. So let us start. तो आपको यहाँ दिख रहा होगा कि yes, how the marks distribution is being done. So let us start. First of all, part A, employability skills. उसमें आप देख रहे होंगे कि yes, it is for 10 marks only. It is only for 10 marks, but yes, it is very important. ये written exam के लिए हम लोग discuss कर रहे हैं. For the practical, yes, we will discuss in the next video. So yes, we will see about it. If you want it कि हाँ practical के बारे में भी discuss किया जाए, yes, we can do, but now only theory. So let us start, and before going for further in that, so please like, share and subscribe my channel so you can get the notifications for my new videos. And already I have made the videos related to IT 402, तो आप मेरी चैनल पे जाकर देख सकते हो. Yes, so let us start. So communication skills. So communication skills, in that there is, आप देखिए यहाँ 1 mark के question में it is for 1 mark, and for the short answers also there is 1 mark question. So already you can see that 2 questions are being asked over there. सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स, वो उसके अंदर 2 क्वेश्चंस आपको पूछे जाएंगे. टू क्वेश्चंस आर बीन आस्क्ड ऑफ 1 मार्क्स, and with that 1 of 2 marks. You can see over here, and totally there are 3 questions. Okay, so this way when you will see your ICT may be 1 question for 1 mark and 1 question for 2 marks. So there are 2 questions. So you cannot say कि हाँ भाई हम लोग employment skills को importance ना दे. Yes, it is very important. If you want to score full marks, then yes, it is very important. Entrepreneur skills, in that everyone know that there is only 1 chapter. आपको एक ही chapter अच्छे से पढ़ना है, and in that 1 marks objective type and 2 marks for that 1 question is being asked. Now green skills, in that also they are asking about, you can say that related to whatever the green skills, in that environment based sustainable development, that is the main part over there. तो उसमें 1 mark का ये question आता है, and 1 mark 2 marks 1 question. So like that when you will see overall, आप जब देखने जाओगे तो total questions आपको 1 mark के 6 questions होते हैं. In that you have to attain any 4. It is very easy to score over here. And yes, if you know very well, अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत अच्छे से knowledge है, then yes, you can score it. And in objective types, I think so that MCQs are only being asked, तो आप MCQs में तो score कर ही सकते हैं. Short answers type questions, in that there are 5 questions, from that any 3 you have to answer it. So you are having good options over here. तो यहाँ आपके पास 11 questions होते हैं. You are getting 11 questions totally. Okay. Next, after that you can see here that 10 marks are being distributed over here. Now part B, which is very important also, right? ये part B आपको दिख ही रहा होगा. It is for 40 marks. 40 marks. Now how they have been distributed? First of all, you will see over here every chapter, every skills जो भी हैं आपके, like word ले लो, excel ले लो, database ले लो और web application, in that everywhere you are having 6 questions. आपको सभी में 6 questions हर एक के आएंगे. That is for 1 mark, और वो भी objective type, that is MCQs. Okay, तो यहाँ आपको कितने questions आ रहे हैं? You are getting 24 questions, and from that, out of that only 20 questions you have to attempt it. Okay, and one more tip I want to give it. अगर आपको पूरी तरह से confident हो, then yes, you can go for that answer. Okay, so that is the main thing, but don't leave any question. आप एक भी question leave मत करना. Next, short answers type questions, in that 2 marks each. आपको यहाँ दिख रहा होगा for the word, that is documentation, digital documentation, in that 1 mark. And then for Excel it is for 2 questions आएंगे, 2 questions आएंगे, that is for 2 marks each. And that also application based questions, terms वो पूछे जाते हैं. Then database management skills, in that 1 question you are having of 2 marks. ओके, वन क्वेश्चन, एक ही क्वेश्चन आता है जो 2 मार्क का आता है. एंड वेब एप्लीकेशन, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको यहाँ लग रहा होगा कि हाँ ये सही नहीं है, बट येस इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वेब एप्लीकेशन में बहुत सारे आपके पास जो भी चीज आपने यहाँ तक पढ़ी है, लाइक इंटरनेट नेटवर्किंग, इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग, that all will be covered over here, and that is for 2 marks, and 2 questions so 4 marks, so you can score over here. नेक्स्ट इज लॉन्ग आंसर्स, डिस्क्रिप्टिव टाइप के जो होते हैं 4 मार्क्स के. इन दैट यू कैन सी वन मोर थिंग ओवर हियर दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम में आपको क्वेरी के रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन आता ही आता है, एंड दैट इज फॉर 4 मार्क्स अगर आपको अच्छे से आता है. दैट ऑल्सो क्वेरी मीन्स एसक्यूएल बेस्ड. If you are not knowing, you can go to my channel and you can see the video related to SQL commands which you have to use it. आपको लिखना होता है उसमें. Okay, so that is the thing. Now here also one questions for 4 marks, so you can see that it is very important. Every chapter is very important, every skills is very important. Okay, यहाँ आपको objective type में बहुत ज़्यादा score कर सकते हो. And yes, next is over here that if you know very well, अगर आपको चैप्टर के बारे में अच्छे से पता है, एटलीस्ट टर्म्स, इफ यू आर लर्निंग द टर्म्स प्रॉपरली, तो आप अच्छे से आंसर कर सकते हो. लॉजिकल क्वेश्चंस आर आल्सो बीन आस्क्ड. सो हियर यस 6 क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. यहाँ आपके पास 6 क्वेश्चन होंगे जिसमें से एनी 4 यू हैव टू आंसर इट. ओके, सो दैट विल बी फॉर, यू कैन सी दैट 6 2 12, तो 12 में से हमें 8 मार्क्स देना है, राइट? If you know all the questions, as I have told you, if you are having the time, आपके पास time हो तो yes you can answer it. Next is over here that यहाँ आपको 5 question दिए जाते हैं, from that any 3. So yes you can go for the option, right? आपको अगर कोई नहीं आता है तो आप नहीं लिखोगे, it's okay. But yes, 12 marks. Here there is a scoring marks over here. This is 28 and this is 12. So the whole is about 40 marks. Okay. Let us go now over here. You can see here that it is for 2 hours. कितने hours का है? The time limit is for 2 hours. Already CBSE has declared that written paper तो होने ही वाला है, right? So question paper consists 21 questions. कितने questions होंगे उसमें? 21 questions होंगे, and it is being divided into 2 parts, that is section A और section B, right? Section A में objective type ही आएगा, right? Whereas in section B it will be subjective. Okay, तो आप यहाँ देख सकते हो कि मैंने already आपको explain कर लिया है इस तरफ, that 20, right? 20 marks of the objective for section A, that is part A, part B, and for this 4 marks. So 24 marks के आपके सिर्फ MCQs होंगे, right? So it is very much scoring over here. Out of the given 5 plus 16, 21 questions, a candidate has to answer only 15 question. यानी आपको 21 questions होंगे जिसमें से आपको 15 question के आंसर देने हैं, और टाइम लिमिट आपके पास 2 घंटे का है, राइट? सो दिस इज द थिंग, देयर इज नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग. इतना याद रखना, नेगेटिव मार्किंग यहाँ नहीं है. मार्क्स आर बीन अलॉटेड, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको आंसर देने हैं, राइट? So this is the thing. Hope you all have understand, and yes, the next video will be related to question paper, which I will discuss with you for the sample paper. And please like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you very much.